In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change the order of songs in a Spotify playlist. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to customize your Spotify playlists and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now let's get right into this guide. By default, songs in your Spotify playlists appear in the order that you added them. If you want to customize this order, I'll show you how to do it. While it's easier to do on a computer, we'll focus on mobile devices. On a computer, you can simply click and drag the song to the desired position. But on a mobile device, it's a bit different. Ensure you're in the playlist you want to modify. At the top of the playlist, click on the three dots to the right of the Shuffle button. Then, select the Edit option. In the edit mode, you can change the playlist image, name, and the order of the songs. To adjust the order, grab the three bars to the right of the song and position it where you want. Drag the songs around until you're satisfied with the order. Once you're happy with the arrangement, tap on Save. If you change your mind, you can tap Cancel. And that's it. You've successfully changed the order of songs in your Spotify playlist. If you found this guide helpful, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide enhances your Spotify playlist experience.